Hi all, welcome to another video of Berg Performance, and in this video I will show you what you can expect of a proper Stage 2 custom tune for the BMW M5. Furthermore, I want to show you this car. I mean, this is one of the most beautiful BMW M5s that we had in our shop, and it is absolutely gorgeous, completely spec'd in BMW M individual trim. Let me just show you around. I mean, the color of this car, this is individual paint color Tanzanite blue, which already looks very classy with all the original BMW carbon fiber elements attached to the car. You can even see on the side pillar that the car has a BMW individual manufacturer, stamp on it. And then look at the inside. It is so gorgeous. It has double contrasting stitching in the interior with the black and the white leather, with a beautiful interior trim as well, with the logo inside again. And the reason why we're standing here at the BMW dealership is has nothing to do with them, but in the inside you can see the new BMW M5 as well. I will take this one home. So, one of my favorite cars, the BMW M5 F90. Oh. This car is so amazing. Five seconds from 100 to 200 on 102 fuel. 5.46 seconds from 100 to 200 on 98 fuel. This car is producing 800 horsepower and 1000 Newton meters on 102 and 765 horsepower and 960 Newton meters on 98 run. The torque is linear and flat. That's to protect the engine at low RPM. The S60 engine, you have to be cautious in how you tune and how to calibrate them properly. Very important. We have made this setup as well as for a Stage 3 BMW M5 previously, so we exactly know how to calibrate the software in a linear way. I am 100% sure that this car will do a 4-point-something seconds when it's winter time. The ambient temperatures are above 20-25 degrees here right now, which influence, a bad influence, the intake air temperatures for the M5. If you do back-to-back runs, the air intake temperatures will get hot and it will just reduce timing. And that's good, because that's a safety that we build in, that BMW builds in, and that we have to take seriously when tuning these cars. But the numbers don't lie. The dyno, it's cool to see. I don't give something about it, but the Dragy number, like 5 seconds, 5 seconds. What are we talking about? This car for sure is a car that can do the quarter mile under 10 seconds, but to not demolish any drivetrain related things and to put extra stress on the transmission and the drive shafts and everything, we don't do quarter miles with these kind of cars and 0 to 100 times, because it is a, if you look at the 100 to 200 time, you already know this will do the quarter mile under 10 seconds and the 0 to 100 in approximately 2.5, 2.6, maybe if you have the grip 2.4. It will be able to do it, but that's the customer's choice to do it himself. I will not do it. Other than that, I mean, this car, I like it so much. As I was saying, the interior quality compared to the newer BMW G90 M5 is so much more superior. Everything looks beautiful. The colors, the leather on the door panels, on the dashboard, the buttons that you have, everything works perfect without any annoying beeps and tweaks and searching for sub-menus into sub-menus. I just don't like it. I think I'm more of a guy to take the M5 F90 home than the G90. And also with regards to the power, I mean, this car is also not a light car. I think it weighs around 1975 kg, so around 2,000 kilograms. The new M5 weighs 500 more than this one, and you can just feel that. You will feel it. When braking, when accelerating, when handling. And yes, the M5, the new one, you can also see it in the link above. I made a review about that car. It is really handling good. You don't feel the weight necessarily, but compared to this, you will feel it. And also in the acceleration numbers, this car is just a faster car. The M5 in the newer one, because of the hybrid drivetrain, it gets a immediate response when you touch the throttle. So it will just fly off. Initially, it will fly off. But later, this car will catch its ass because it's faster. It will just catch it, grab it, and demolish it. Even though if you tune the new M5, it will currently not be faster than this one, even though it has like 1,000 horsepower. The weight is playing a role there, and also the delivery of the power, I think, is a thing. But yeah, we'll see. We will also do a new BMW M5 G90 in a short period. Let's see how that will compare to this one. So yeah, as you can hear, I'm a big fan of this platform, also of the V8 and the BMW M5 in general. I think it's a fantastic car as a daily, but also with the family or just high-speed cruising at the Autobahn. It is just a perfect car. It just drinks a lot of petrol, but yeah, that's normal. What do you expect from this car? So yeah, I hope you like this video. It is a very bumpy road, as you can see. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, because yeah, we need to keep making these kind of videos for you guys. So I would appreciate it when you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.